All right, well, get the downpipe put together, and it's actually been MIG welded. A lot of times I'm not patient enough to TIG everything, so I MIG it, and then if I want it to look a little better, I'll go over it with the TIG and smooth out some stuff and kind of butter in the welds. So I'm gonna take this in quick, be done with this, and move on to the drive shaft. Well, that's good enough for me. I was debating what color to paint this, and I just remembered the whole dang car is rusty, so I'm just gonna let nature do it what it can and paint it on its own. So saves me the trouble of figuring a color out. Well, that's done. Now, time to build a drive shaft. Okay, of all the drive shaft material I have, nothing's long enough. So I'm gonna end up taking that yoke, because that fits the transmission, and I will move that probably to this shaft, cut this shaft, and stub this other piece in to try to make something work. This will probably not be what it gets used on the dyno, but at least the car will go down the road. Well, the drive shaft's installed. Front charge pipe is on. Next on the list is I think we'll finish the wiring up front, and we will do the new fuel pump, or the additional fuel pump in the tank, but we're gonna reserve that for the next episode, so stay tuned.